Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Natural Born Prepper. So as most of you know, I created this channel to promote my website, preppingcommunities.com, and I've been creating videos explaining the benefits and features of using my site over the past while. But I was thinking about all those people caught in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene and how I could possibly help them in some way besides just sending money. Many of the government and other organizations we the people have come to rely upon for disaster relief seem to have let us down. They have become large bureaucracies interested in everything but the very reason they were formed, to help people in times of need such as this. Anyway, it just came to me that Prepping Communities, my website, could be used for more than just prepping and homesteading. Rather, Prepping Communities could be used for disaster relief and other efforts, like helping those people that really need it now. For example, people can use Prepping Communities to post and leave messages to other people, loved ones, or even family. People can create postings to offer and request help for things like water, food, medicine, or even services like people helping other people dig out their home and surrounding areas. People can join the Hurricane Helene recovery group, and if they like, they can create their own groups, maybe for their local communities or families. People can use Prepping Communities for individual and group chat for real-time updates and coordination. People can use Prepping Communities to coordinate emergency services and aid distribution. People can use Prepping Communities to find and locate temporary shelters and housing, and do other things like leveraging the community support networks, tracking and reporting on recovery progress, finding specialized services, and even using it for barter and trade for recovery needs. I also created 2 postings. The first posting, called Hurricane Helene, a guide to using Prepping Communities to help survivors and volunteers, is a posting on how to help people use preppingcommunities.com to help in their recovery efforts. The second posting, called How to Help Victims of Hurricane Helene, is about where to find disaster relief from organizations like the North Carolina Disaster Relief Fund. Now I realize many people are still without power and internet, but many people, mostly preppers and emergency aid groups, do have power and internet, and they are the very people starting to coordinate these recovery efforts. I also realize I may be a little too late to get people to use Prepping Communities now, because most people are just simply too busy in the recovery efforts. So my message to you is this: if you can, please check out preppingcommunities.com to see if it can help you now. If not, then please consider using preppingcommunities.com to prepare yourself for future events like this. When you can't rely upon the government to help you, and you need to rely upon yourselves, your communities, and groups like family, friends, and the church, then use preppingcommunities.com to help one another. You know, I honestly didn't create preppingcommunities.com for this type of use, helping people in a disaster situation. I created it for people to connect, prepare, and share information and resources prior to a disaster situation. It's only just now I realized that because of the way I designed preppingcommunities.com, it really is something that can be helpful to people helping people after a natural disaster or SHTF situation as well. So if you haven't already, please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel. And also please go to www.preppingcommunities.com and sign up to become a member for free and begin your journey of people helping people now. Natural Born Prepper, out.